Hello and welcome to my room tour. This is the Here apartment at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. I'm gonna keep this intro short because you're not here to see me. You are here to see my room, but you should like and subscribe, please. Okay, so when you first walk in, boom, washer dryer. Here's a little overview of the entire apartment. I'll get into more details soon. The wallpaper and mirrors were not there before. My roommates had put them up before I moved in, which is very nice. There's this little closet that has cleaning supplies, and all of the stuff in the main room is not mine. I moved in halfway through the semester, so none of it like I bought or designed, but my roommates did a great job of designing it all, and I'm very grateful for them. Every time I went home, it felt very homey, which I liked. Here is an overview of my cabinet. I just had these top two cabinets up above. Yeah, not a lot of food left. This was filmed obviously at the end of the semester, so don't judge what I have in there. There is a lot of great cabinet space at these apartments, especially because it's like kind of like the main part of the middle of the kitchen, if that makes sense, is just full of cabinets. So that's great. And they added that extra cabinet thing to the side that wasn't already there. Here's more look of it. No problems with the dishwasher or anything. Yeah, and then the stairs to go upstairs because it's a two split apartment, so two of the bedrooms are upstairs. Here's a little bit of what the upstairs looks like. It's just the same thing with the two bedrooms to the side. Looks over. Voila, I was on the first floor and I was in the one with the detached bathroom. So basically how my like floor plan worked, I think it was like a 4x4 terrace or aerial. I'm gonna look it up and see exactly what it was, but basically there are two apartments on each floor, and one of them is an attached bathroom, and one of them is detached, but you each get your own bathroom. I was in the detached one, you'll see, and that section is smaller, so the other one's like a master and is a lot bigger and has a bigger bathroom and everything. So if you're more interested in that, get the bigger one. It is more money though. And yeah, here's just an overview of everything. They brought the like desk thing underneath and all the decorations. The couch and TV comes with. It was a great view. I literally could see the line at Joe's, which was great. They put the rug, the chairs, and like coffee table, I believe, came with. I'm not 100% sure though. And then, yeah, up above, voila, here's what the ceiling looks like. Okay, and then you turn, boom. And the door right in front is not my door, but to the right, boom, my room. And it is a quite small room, but I love it. I think part of the reason it feels so small is because I put this clothing rack from IKEA in there. I thought I needed it, but it definitely made it feel a lot smaller. These cute little magnets are from Target, and then I put this like shelf system thing that really helped to put like face masks, random jewelry, all that. And then to the side, I did put more like shoes or just miscellaneous tampons that obviously one would need. There's my Charlie and Dixie ring light, and then the TV was really helpful. The stand is great because I'll be able to use it next year in my different apartment. And yeah, so if you're sitting in my bed, this would be the view. And then I put some pictures to my like dresser thing. I think it's a good idea to put pictures up there so it doesn't ruin the paint. That little circle decoration thing is dollar section at Target, and this is the back of the door. Obviously, I utilize having my shoes back there and hangers to make the space feel less small, even though it did make it crowded. I just have a lot of stuff and needed the space for it. And literally, there's a Bromley Hall umbrella hanging over there. If you haven't seen my Bromley Hall room tour, I have two of them on my YouTube channel. Go check them out for all of you U of I people. Here's another overview of my bed area, and then up top is where I keep these bins. Here's some hats, sunglasses were in that, random snacks. Like most college apartments and dorms, you get creative with where you store everything. So yeah. And then I even put my sweaters up there. I never really wore the sweaters. It's more for like just in case presentation vibe, more of a sweatshirt girl anyway. Besides the point, here's another overview. My bedding is from Target. The pillows are from Target too as well. Besides the Squishmallow, obviously. And then one of my pillowcases is a silk one from my Bobby for Hanukkah, which I actually highly recommend. And then this cool woman painting is from Catherine Corden Art. She's from Traverse City, sells prints and originals. My mom had an extra, so gave it to me. And then the smiley face and mirror are both from Urban Outfitters. I actually really like those. I picked them out myself. I felt very proud of myself for that because most of the stuff my mom helps me with. Here's another overview of like the side of my desk dresser moment thing. And then we get to the side again, and boom, here are the super cool candles that I don't really use as candles from Honey Studio on Etsy. My mom got them for me for Valentine's Day, some plants. My aunt got me that one candle, and then that mug. It's super cool. Is actually in my 19th birthday video from last year, so go check it out. My sister got it for me. And yeah, that little heart is from my grandfather for Valentine's Day as well. Boom, under the bed, more storage. Obviously, my makeup. I actually have a makeup video where I go through all of my makeup collection. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. Now moving on to the desk slash dresser slash closet slash, hard to say, whatever. Open it, boom. It's not super neat, but this is how I lived my life. This top like shelf thing I use for extra school stuff, everyday makeup that I didn't feel like taking out from underneath my bed, and random supplies. There's a cool candle there, just random stuff. And then underneath is the desk that like comes with the apartment. There's a desk chair behind me. I never really use this desk though because there's a really nice one that I'll show you later in the study room, and then I forgot to put my mirror in there. But I would like do my makeup there with a light that I had behind my desk that I didn't show you. Anyway, here are the normal drawers. Yeah, there are 4 drawers or 3 because the other one is actually a desk, so that's why I need all that extra space. And then to the side, boom, is the hanging spot. I guess you could hang up top where I put my pants, and the other one too. I just put like mostly going out tops, and then underneath was workout tops, tanks, and then sweatshirts on the bottom. Not too much space, so definitely pack lightly. And then boom, we're in my bathroom. Sorry, quick transition there. Same like over top hanging towel thing as my last video, and then nothing too interesting with that besides there's my shower, and I had this side thing to put all my products. If you want a product video, I'll totally make a separate video of like what kind of products and makeup I use. I look really great in my pajamas. Yeah, that was like I literally just like pulled up my pants in that. That's hilarious. But be real, be authentic. There's nothing much I could say about this. Like underneath there was like no shelving, so I just had to put everything literally there. My towels are from Target, I believe. There's me literally putting in my pocket. But it's a basic bathroom. It's actually a good size compared to what like my room looks like. And you may be wondering, where are you? Are you at a bowling alley? Actually, I am just on the 4th floor of the Here building. Yes, there's this whole room, bowling, open till like 10 p.m., I believe. This game room. There used to be shuffleboard, and I think they got rid of it because I remember playing shuffleboard. Sorry to the person that's in the background of this. I was trying to emphasize how amazing the amenities are. This is all in the bowling area, and there's like never anyone there. Also, on the 4th floor, there is a golf simulator, which seems to be pretty awesome. I never actually used it, but people loved it, and it's just crazy to have a golf simulator literally, 5 floors down from you. But yeah, pretty awesome. And not only that, there was a movie theater. You could like rent it out and play movies with your friends. And then my favorite part of the 4th floor was the study rooms. This is where I studied most of the time because my desk was so small in my tiny little room. I really liked it. You could look out, crazy view, lots of little pods, and like printer, basically everything you need. The vending machines were my personal favorite. And then I was sitting on this couch and I realized I might be allergic to it. So I switched to another spot. Thought I would include that because it's crazy to be able to like people watch like that. And then on the 2nd floor is the gym, and I'm the worst, didn't take good videos of the gym, but there's this cool private room. There's like every other amenity you would need at the gym. I only ever used the elliptical and looked out at people. And then this is the terrace on the 5th floor. This is like a winter video. There's a hot tub and grill. My roommate once grilled out and made burgers. It's super cool, great space to have. So now when you looked at my empty room, I will be telling you about everything I forgot to include. On the gym floor, there's a sauna and tanning beds that are free. Didn't include that, my bad. I also didn't take any videos of the lobby. It's a very nice lobby. There's this fancy new vending machine where you can like rent scooters, like electronic scooters, and like everything you could possibly need. Also in the lobby is Sushi Man, which is like the best sushi restaurant ever. I didn't include any pictures of that, so you should really go check it out. I loved living it here. Not sponsored, wish it was, but the craziest thing was definitely the amenities.